If you and a friend go to a restaurant, but the waiters are slow and the dish you order doesn't float your boat, you might describe the restaurant with the phrase,
Non è un granché.
"It's nothing special. It's not all that great." This phrase is used to say that you don't particularly like something, especially if you started out with high expectations.
Non è un granché.
Let's take a quick look at the 4 words that make up this phrase.
Non,
Is used to give a negative sense to the sentence, especially in front of a verb. It's the equivalent of not in English.
è,
Is the third person singular of the verb
essere,
to be. It's the equivalent of is in English.
un,
Is the masculine indefinite article. It's the equivalent of a or an in English.
granché,
Is composed of 2 words,
grande,
big and
che,
meaning what or that. It can be written as 1 or 2 words. On its own, it means something exceptional, but because it's almost always used in a negative sense, the more accurate translation is actually something unexceptional. It can also mean much, a lot, when used as an adverb. For example,
non vale granché,
it's not worth much.
non c'era granché da mangiare,
There wasn't a lot to eat. To say that someone isn't very good at doing something, you can use the expression
non essere un granché a. Diciamocelo, non siamo un granché a cantare.
let's be honest, we aren't very good at singing. Other Italian phrases that you can use to say something isn't special include
Non è niente di speciale, non è nulla di speciale. Non è niente di che, non è nulla di che.
a synonym for
Un granché,
is
una gran cosa.
literally a big thing. Unlike granché, however, gran cosa is used in both positive and negative statements.
La loro idea è una gran cosa.
Their idea is great, versus
La loro idea non è una gran cosa.
their idea isn't great.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.